Guys, we're almost done with our computer. So once we're finished with our computer, we can add stuff like parts and everything. Okay, blah, blah, blah. But the main part of this video, we're going to be talking about the random access memory. Okay, RAM is typically used for storing things temporarily, like your game score, state of the game, what part you're on, what movie you're watching, basically a lot of things. I'm going to teach you guys how to make a memory cell. So the memory cell is a tiny little storage inside of the RAM. The things that you guys need is a D flip-flop, an AND gate, a small little buffer, 5 buttons, 1 allowed clock, right, read, clear. You need some type of thing that can allow data to come in and come out. We're gonna connect these buttons together. Now let's copy and paste 8 of these flip-flops. Nice. We're gonna connect all the outputs into the inputs of the D flip-flop. And now what we're gonna do is connect the clock signal, connect the write signals. Okay, there we go, I fixed it. Now you want to connect the clear signal. Now we're gonna make 8 AND gates. Now we're gonna connect our Q into each AND gate. Okay, we're gonna test it out. Let's put a small little code inside of this. Let's do this right here. Nice. Now let's click on write and clock. Okay, as you can see, the data's there, but we can't see it. Press the read button. There we go. And now we can take this off and it will save that memory. Typically in real life, they don't use this type of method. They use capacitors, but we're not gonna dive into that. Think of a register as things in your hand. You can access it quick, but you can't hold that much stuff. Now, think of RAM, your desk. You can have so many things on your desk, but you will have to reach for it. And it's not as fast as grabbing something from your hand. Now you want to copy and paste the memory cell however many times you guys want. I did 64 times. Okay, now you want to add a bus wire between every single output of each memory cell. Okay, perfect. And now we're going to connect all the wires into every single input again. Okay, everything's connected perfectly. Okay, now we're going to add a really big decoder so we can pick between which memory cell we want to enable or write to. Also, make sure to connect the decoder's output into the memory cell's allow input. Okay, anyways, our computer crashed. Also, the simulation looks smaller because I don't want to stress my computer out anymore. Okay, we're gonna connect our decoders back into each other, and now there's a new bus wire connected to the memory cell's input, which is gonna be the data, and we're gonna use the decoder as the address. So we're gonna connect everything together now. Okay, it seems like it's working perfectly. I'm so happy. Okay, in this video I taught you how to make RAM, but already in the simulation there's already RAM inside of it and it's slightly faster. So we're not really going to use this into our actual computer chip since we don't want to lie. But yeah, I taught you how to make RAM and that's pretty cool. Something you learned. Alright, we're wrapping up this video. I just want to say we got basically 99% of the computer done now. We have the RAM, the register file, the ALU, we have the instruction memory and the program counter. We basically built the brain already. Now, next episode, we're gonna do the control unit, which is basically gonna control every single thing inside of this computer. And it's gonna be really cool. Really cool. But I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned. Bye-bye.